Anyway, guys, welcome to our presentation. For the people who doesn't know, my name's Rich, and I'm going to be presenting to you the business, basically. This is the business plan, and I'm gonna be fast with this. So wag niyo po kayo matakot na na pakinggan to. Wag rin kayo matakot na hindi niyo maintindihan sa umpisa. Kasi at the end of the day, kung first time niyo po ito mapapakinggan, okay lang. Okay lang kung hindi mo maintindihan. Why? You can always review it. You can always ask for questions. But at least, magkaroon lang kayo ng idea how it works, and at least magkaroon rin kayo ng path kung paano nyo ito gagawin. Alright? So now, this obviously this is a disclaimer. The amount and I'm going to be sharing to you at the end of the day is based on effort, not just with you but also with your community and with your team. So tandaan nyo to, you are the CEO of this business. So whatever result that you're going to get, it's basically out of your effort as well. Clear po ba yun? Okay. So now, this is the owners of Prive International. So makikita nyo po dito, ito po yung apat na nagsimula ng Prive International, starting from Mr. Casey Tan, Stephen Lai, Jimmy Chong, and of course, the group president, si Mr. AC Go. These are the four people who has been ruthlessly building the market of Prive International. And nakakatuwa po kasi, when you visit, this is our KL office, Kuala Lumpur. This is the pinaka-home base natin to. So everyone's actually is welcome to visit the office anytime. If you have if you come across na mapunta ka po ng Malaysia, I really suggest that you visit this office. And manonotice mo rin the growth of Prive International. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi nga sa sobrang ganda ng product natin, we have received numerous awards and recognition because of the beauty and the result of our product. And that is why the owners actually partnered with Deschang. And right now, sobrang good news, we are the global and sole, tingnan mo to, global sole exclusive distributor of all the iTera Care devices na linabas na po. Okay? So tayo po ang nagpa-pioneer nito. Sobrang galing, sobrang exciting. Plus, the good news is we are growing. Dumadami na po yung matitindi nating products, and I encourage you to really look into this. Ang ganda po ng mga iba nating produkto. Sobrang galing. Ako personally, in love ako sa Oxitap at sa Bio. So kung hindi nyo pa alam yan, ask your sponsor or the person that invited you. Alright, let's jump in. Our business is growing. We are actually right now in 82 countries. Sobrang galing, 82 countries na tayo. Ganon kabilis yung natin, yung growth natin. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how do you start your business? Are you ready? Would you like to know how to start your business? Yes! Salamat pa, salamat. Salamat sa mga nagko-comment. Salamat po sa mga nagre-react. So this is how you start. You are gonna choose your package. Now, how do you choose your package? It depends on the product you're gonna get. Now, listen to this, guys. Every product that you purchase, once you purchase it, meron siyang equivalent points or PV. So, for example, you chose to get a Classic or a Premium Plus, itong Violet. This falls into silver. Bakit? Kasi once you get this, you actually purchased worth 200 PV or 200 points. Ganun lang kasimple. Once you purchase 200 points, you are already a silver. Good? Okay. Now, let's just say you bought a premium, okay? A premium unit, or you bought 3 classics. Yung iba kasi bumibili 3 classics eh. Bakit? Kasi may mga kapatid. Ayaw nila maghiraman. Gusto nila tagi-isa sila. So once you buy that is worth 600 points, your membership will be gold. Kasi 600. And of course, obviously, when you buy a Pro or 10 classics, malaking pamilya, di ba? Or a Bio, that is more than 2,000 points, you are automatically a Diamond member. Clear po ba yun? So, doon po natin nag-gauge kung ano po yung membership dito. Depende sa pinurchase nyo na product. Alright? Now, once you purchase your product, you will have your own account. Meron ka na pong tinatawag natin na back office. So, you can check all of the progress of your business dito po. All of the computation, all of the monitoring ng system and ng grupo mo, ng network mo, makikita mo na po dito sa back office natin. Now, we have 8 ways to earn and we have split that to 3 sections. So meron tayong tinatawag na fast track income. Ito na po yun. Meron rin po tayong tinatawag na mid-income. And nandito na rin po yung back-end income. So obviously from the fast track, ito kasi starting point mo. Kaya siya tinawag na fast track kasi ito yung mabilisan na pasok ng income. Now of course, habang lumalaki yung network mo, habang lumalaki yung community mo, it gets into the mid-income or the middle income. And the long-term business here is actually the back-end income. Ito na po yung pumapasok yung residual business dito po sa platform natin. Alright? So, what I'm gonna do, as fast as I can, I'm gonna be sharing everything, okay? More or less, it's going to be more of, what do you call this? Overview of how our marketing plan works. So, like what I said, dahil first-timer ka, it doesn't mean magigets mo to kaagad. But I encourage you to check it or watch it again or ask your sponsor to actually refresh you again on how this works. Okay? So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Number 1, you get a sponsor bonus every time you sponsor somebody. Now, how does this work? Simple lang to eh. When you sponsor somebody, like for example, dito si Jaisel. Okay, I saw a name, Jaisel. Jaisel, ikaw na lang gagamitin ko ha. So si Jaisel ngayon, let's say, she recruited me. In-invite ako ni Jaisel, I bought a classic. So where do I fall? I fall under silver membership. Tama po ba? Kasi bumili ako ng classic eh. That's 200 points. So you get silver. So I get a membership of silver. Now this is the good news. Kasi Jaisel is my sponsor. Siya po yung nag-invite sa akin. She will get 10% based on the PV. So 200 points, getting 10%, that is $20. Clear? So question, ilan ba pwede niyang imbitahin? She can invite as many as she want. Hanggat kaya niya, hanggat gusto niya, she can invite. So for example, ako naman, instead na bumili ako ng silver or isang classic, I bought a premium. That is 600 points. So automatic, my membership is gold. So out of the gold, you get 10%. Jaisel, you get $60. Alright? So saan pumapasok yan? Pumapasok doon sa back-end office nyo. Pumapasok doon sa system mo. Alright? And of course, when I purchase a diamond or I purchase a pro, I got a iTera Bio. So automatic, I become a member, I become a diamond, you get a commission or a sponsorship bonus of $200. If you sponsor 10 people, you get $2,000. You sponsor 20 people, you get $4,000. Oh, ang dali lang ng math, no? Okay, so yun po, ganun lang kasimple. Now, what else will happen? Additionally, Jaisel, you will get what we call a redemption or royalty bonus. Ano na naman to? Besides the sponsor bonus, you will be getting an additional, for every silver mo, you will get an additional $70 na papasok sa royalty redemption bonus mo. Wow! Ano to? Ito yung mga bonus na pag naipon mo, you can literally buy products from our back office. Di ba amazing? You actually get free products. So what do you do with the free products? It's up to you. You want to use it, you want to sell it, you want to give it away, it's up to you. So sa amin po, this is our benefit. Every time we sponsor somebody, we get $70 for every silver. And if you sponsor a gold, you get $240. And wow, when you sponsor a diamond, you get $1,000. So can you imagine, sponsor 4 people, you are guaranteed you're gonna get, and you'll be able to redeem a pro unit. Wow! That is amazing, right? That is amazing. So that's one of the perks of doing this business. Okay? So, just to recap, direct referrals is 10%, and loyalty bonus, if it's a diamond account, it reaches up to 50% based on the PV. Alright? Now, as simple as the fast track, when you do this fast track, you only need to invite 2 people. If you want to start this business, make sure to a minimum of 2 people. Invite kayo. How many? How many? 2. 2 people. Sige, type nyo dyan. 2. So out of the 2 persons or 2 souls that you invite, let's just say they get silver ha. So based on the silver, ayan po, silver dito, that is a direct referral of 20. Tapos may loyalty redemption bonus sa 70. So same thing here, $20, $70. Plus, magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag namin level pairing na $80. So, di ba nagtaka sila, bakit may level pairing na? Yun yung kagandahan sa fast track na to. Kasi, once it enters the network, or the network structure, may additional bonuses pa na papasok sa iyo. Clear ba yon? Okay. So, tingnan nyo to ha. Paano ko po kung nag-focus ka sa diamond? For every diamond na makukuha mo naman, that's $200 sa sponsorship bonus, $1,000 sa LRB, or yung tinatawag na loyalty redemption bonus. So, same thing with this one. So, that's another 1,200. Plus, you will get a pairing bonus na naman na $800. A total of 3,200. Good or very good? Ay, very good. Oh my gosh, grabe talaga yung income dito. So a lot of you are probably asking, what is this level pairing bonus? This is the structure, ladies and gentlemen. Once you sponsor them, once they get their account, you put them in the system, this is the level pairing. Ito po yung yung computation diyan. For every pair, pag nag-pairing po ang silver, you will get $80. Pag nag-pairing po ng gold, you will get $240. At pag nag-pairing po ng diamond, you will get $800. Now, how does this work? So, katulad yan, in-invite ako ni Jaisel. Pinasok niya ako ngayon. It's always the left. Pagpasok mo first time. So, for example, ako nag-silver ako, pumasok ako sa left, tapos nag-invite pa ulit si Jaisel, pinasok niya sa right. That is left and right. Every level, meron kang $80. Good? Ganun lang kasimple. Now, what happens if I invite somebody? If I invite somebody, for example, kumuha ako diamond, may na-invite ako nag-diamond. Yung in-invite ni Jaisel, nag-invite din, pero ang kinuha silver. Magpe-pairing rin yan, pero ibabase nila sa lower account. So, that's going to be $80. Pero nagkataon, yung invite ko, nag-diamond din, at yung invite naman nung isa, nag-diamond din, oh my gosh, may pairing bonus ka ngayon na $800. Question, ikaw pa ba nag-invite niyan? Hindi na. These are the effort ng ibang tao na. Can you imagine? This is the start of your business. Kasi ang kagandahan dito, once people start inviting, you will be getting benefits from that. That is why I love this system. Ladies and gentlemen, talagang ang galing talaga ng ganitong sistema. Alam ko marami sa inyo, this is the first time you've seen something like this, or probably some of you have seen it already at sawang-sawa na. But at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, a system of this kind of caliber, it's always just a system. You will know that this will work if the product is very, very good and very, very effective. Yes or yes? At the end of the day, our products work. That's why we're benefiting from this. Clear? And I believe when you start doing this as well, you will be benefiting from this as well. Alright? So, going back to this, every diamond, every silver, every gold that matches, every level has one pair for you. Ganong kaganda tong system natin. Every level may one pair na papasok sa inyo. And this goes on and on and on. Hanggat may bumibili, may pumapasok mong business sa inyo. And the good news, paano pag nag-upgrade? You will also benefit from that. Every upgrade, bibibigay pa rin ng company sa iyo yung hindi nabigay sa iyo last time. Oh, di ba? Imagine mo yun, no? Ganong ka-generous yung company natin. Good? Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, ang kagandahan pa dito, we are just talking about the mid-income pa lang ha. Group, meron pa tayo, papasok na tayo sa mid-income, which is the group pairing bonus. Now, how does this work? Your percentage will definitely be will be computed depending on the membership that you availed. If you availed silver for obvious reasons, that is 8%, based on 8%. Gold is based on 10%, and diamond is based on 12%. And meron po tayong tinatawag na daily payout na for silver it's $300, gold is $900, and diamond is $3,750. Now, this is the thing. This benefit will only start from your 4th level. O, yan na ha. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's becoming, kung medyo nagiging complicated na konti. But believe me, I want you to review this and I want you to understand it next time. But just for this broadcast, I will explain everything. Would that be okay? Yes, thank you so much. Now, check this out. For example, magkaroon ka ng 10,000 points on your left side at magkaroon ka ng 50,000 points on your right side. So, with this number, madedetermine mo ngayon kung sino yung strong leg at sino yung pay leg. Sa strong leg, obviously, si 50,000. So that's on the right side. Eventually, pwede siya mag-mix, it doesn't matter. Yung 10,000 will be your bonus leg. So based on your bonus leg, dun ngayon magko-compute yung percentage ng membership mo. So how does this work? So sabihin na sa 10,000 PV, kunin mo yung 8% niyan, that is $800. Yes? Kaya lang remember guys because you're a silver, your maximum payout is $300. So you don't actually get the $800, you only get the $300. Clear po ba yon? Thank you so much. Now let's move on. If you're a gold is based on $10 at 10%. So kunin niyo po yung 10%, that's $1,000. But remember, a gold is may maximum income niya of $900. So you don't get the 1,000, but you do get the $900. Good? But this is the best. That's why I keep on telling people, if money is not an issue, you get a diamond account. Why? Because your diamond account doesn't just give you 12%, which is kung kinumpit mo dito, that's $1,200. And the good news, makukuha mo to ng buo. Why? Because your maximum daily payout is $3,750. So, pasok siya. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng pumasok, pasok sa iyo. Grabe, ganong katindi. At ang pinaka-the best dito, yung ating strong leg po, wala po siyang flash out. Meron po tayong tinatawag na strong leg retention. Ano ba yan? Nagbulol tuloy ako. Nakakahawa si Sir Oli kanina eh. Okay? So, nag-ano siya? So, meron po tayong strong leg retention. Oh, yun. Wow, what a mouthful, no? So, anyway, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Once your network is getting bigger and bigger and getting stronger and stronger, you will be getting leaders under your team. And once there's leaders, it means may mga taong kumikita. At lahat ng kumikita doon, starting from your first generation, reaching to your sixth generation, you will be earning percentage from them. So based from this chart, pag diamond ka, umaabot mo ng sixth generation yung income mo. From your first generation of 10%, it reaches from 55555 papunta sa 6th generation nyo. Alright? Clear po ba yun? Okay. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, dito na po tayo sa back-end income natin. Nandito po yung tinatawag natin Unilevel, which is, this is the maintenance bonus that we receive. Kasi nga, sabi nga in anything in life, we do maintenance. From the food, from taking a shower, that's maintenance for us Sa bahay, the electricity, the water, that's also maintenance. Same thing with your business. We do maintain our business by maintaining a $30 minimum purchase for maintenance purpose. So every time you do your maintenance, your business grows as well. Ito ngayon ang good news. Once your group is very healthy, dumadami yung nagme-maintain, you also earn from that. Kaya nga actually meron po itong computation na nakakalula. I'll be honest with you, nakakalula. So hindi ko na po masyado i-explain yan Basta every time your network maintains, you will also benefit from the maintenance bonus. Clear po ba yun? Okay, salamat po. Alright, now, once your network increases, your ranking elevates, okay? Dumataas po. Tama ba yung term ko? Elevates, okay? Umangat. Okay? So your network, once your network grows, your rank will grow as well. So we start our ranking from Future Star, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and every rank up that you hit, you will get bonuses again. Kaya nga congratulations sa mga bago nating 1-star leaders, 2-star leaders, 3-star leaders, at yung mga future Crown Ambassadors dito po sa Zoom call na to. Congratulations as of now. Because I'm telling you, once you hit all of these markings, grabe, you will not just be earning from the network, you will be also earning from what we call the worldwide profit sharing. Now, what is this worldwide profit sharing? As your rank progress, yun yung hinahanap kong word. As your rank progresses, you will be earning a profit sharing. Ibig sabihin, the sales ng buong mundo, meron pong kurot na binibigay sa lahat ng mga rank ups dito. Good or very good? Very, very good. So lahat ng mga future leaders dito, ngayon pa lang, congratulations. Grabe talaga. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, just to give you a path on what you're going to be doing in this business, my suggestion, invite a minimum of 2, and I'm telling you, instead of making it 2, let's make it 5. Look at this computation, ladies and gentlemen. Assuming you're a silver member and you invited silver people. Ano yung mga silver mga kinuha mo? So, the computation is so simple. Lahat po ito, meron kayong direct referral, meron kayong loyalty redemption bonus, meron kayong level pairing bonus. With just 5 people, this is the income na papasok sa inyo. So, the unit is nasa $350 for a classic. Ang bumalik sa inyo is $610. So, may bumalik ng pera? Yes. Anything excess of that is actually income. Profit na po yun. Alright? Ito naman po, a computation naman of diamonds. Tignan mo ito pag nag-focus ka sa diamonds. I'm telling you guys. Pag diamond ang finocus mo, mas malaki ang benefit. Can you imagine a total of $7,496 ang kinita mo na dito? Good or very good? Very, very good. Okay, this is a combination of income and redemption bonus. So, ladies and gentlemen, our business is really growing. It's really expanding. And right now, if you see this has been the global events that we have attended already. We attended the first anniversary po sa Malaysia. This is the second anniversary po sa Thailand that we attended. And ang maganda dito, we are expanding in North and Latin America, Europe, Africa, and can you imagine Asia, Australia, New Zealand is already open. Ganon na po katindi yung market natin, ganon na po katinding growth nitong business natin. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, if you are thinking of a business, bago man lang matapos ng taon na to, meron ka nang nasimulan, this is no accident. The reason why you're here, there is a huge purpose because we know that you are here for a reason. And the reason is not just for health, but also for financial breakthrough. If you're right here, right now, I believe that nandito ka, it's not an accident. I'm believing na nandito ka kasi may purpose po para sa inyo. And you are the only person that can lead this business, this product to people in your circle. So, for the people who are here, congratulations for being here in our Zoom call. And anyway, guys, first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for joining me sa ating presentation today. If you have any questions, please let us know. Please get in touch with the person who have sent you this video and let us help you build your business here with Prive International. My name is Rich Paredes. I'm your friend. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you.